So this process is a process which is called as simple distillation, which is used to separate two important components with large variation in their boiling points, or a volatile impurity from a volatile liquid from a non-volatile impurity. Students, simple distillations are modified form we are going to discuss, and that modified form is called as fractional distillation. फ्रॅक्शनल डिस्टिलेशनमध्ये थोडं व्हेरिएशन येतं, वेअर वी यूज अ टिपिकल कॉलम कॉल्ड ॲज फ्रॅक्शनेटिंग कॉलम. Now what is this fractionating column? Follow the diagram. As usual, we are going to take a distillation flask, which is a round bottom flask. Okay. We are going to fix it with a typical column. हे बघा, हे असं असतं. We are going to fix it with a typical column which is called as fractionating column. आणि मग ह्याला कंडेन्सर जोडायचा. इसमें फ्रॅक्शनेटिंग कॉलम, it consists of some granular form. This is your fractionating column. Fractionating column. This is your distillation flask. Again, distillation flask is placed on a wire gauze and heated from below by means of a Bunsen burner, students. ठीक है. This distillation flask as usual is fixed with a stand, fixed by means of a stand. झालं. ह्या आता फ्रॅक्शनेटिंग कॉलमला we fix it to a condenser. The condenser is fixed to a rubber cork, and that rubber cork is attached to a receiver. This is your receiver here. ठीक है. Again this receiver is mounted on a typical stand. आता मेन इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट कसं, consider two important components of a mixture. A is a liquid with boiling point 363 degrees Celsius. B is a liquid with boiling point say 373 degree Kelvins. No, I'm sorry, it's not Celsius, degree Kelvins. ठीक है. What are we finding here? The difference between the boiling points of A and B is very less. Hence we use this fractionating column here. Please follow what I mean to say. Process is same, no doubt about that. थोडं variation येणार काय ते. Take this mixture containing liquids A and B with slightly difference of boiling point of 10 degree Kelvins here. Students, A is a liquid with lesser boiling point but more volatile. More volatile म्हणजे काय, जे पटकन more volatile, and this is less volatile here. A is a liquid with lower boiling point and more volatile. More volatile means it undergoes evaporation faster than B. Okay. In distillation, this is your distillation flask here. In the distillation flask we place both the liquids A and B. At 363 kelvins, thermometer is attached there. At 363 kelvins, it is the boiling point of A. It starts ascending in the vertically upward direction. During the same period, B starts ascending in the vertically upward direction. कारण तो त्याचा BP ला पोचायला लागला. As B passes through this fractionating column, B starts condensing, कारण तो त्याचा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट नव्हे. B condenses, whereas A, being more volatile and with BP lesser, it moves here in this fractionating column here. ठीक है. Whereas B, being less volatile, as it passes through the fractionating column, it comes down, undergoing condensation. As B comes down, it pushes away the B which is ascending. म्हणजे आता A आणि B मधलं A सावकाश as it has reached its boiling point, it undergoes evaporation, moves higher and higher through the fractionating column and moves here. ठीक है. A moves here, A is moving here, it moves through the condenser, undergoes condensation, converts it back into liquid and collected by the receiver. In the meantime, B starts undergoing evaporation, but through the fractionating column, it condenses back. As it condenses back, it starts descending. B खाली यायला लागला. खाली आल्यानंतर तो लिक्विड फॉर्ममध्ये आहे. It pushes away the gaseous form of B. B together, the liquid and the gaseous form of B comes down in this distillation flask. Distillation flask मध्ये B खाली आला रिटर्न. Whereas A, being highly volatile and reaching its BP, moves vertically upward direction. A return येत नाही because A doesn't undergo condensation. Whereas B returns back as it undergoes condensation through the fractionating column, and B, as it condenses, the liquid form of B pushes down even the vapor form of B which is ascending students. कळलं. म्हणजे बी जसा लिक्विड फॉर्ममध्ये कन्वर्ट होतो, जे वेपर फॉर्म ऑफ बी आहे तो पण खाली येतो, तर त्याला तो पुश करून इट गेट्स कलेक्टेड इन द डिस्टिलेशन फ्लास्क. whereas A passes through the fractionating column, moves higher and gets condensed into liquid form of A. सांगायचं एकच, B remains in the distillation flask, A gets collected in the receiver. That is how the process हे एकदाच होत नाही मुलांनो. until entire A undergoes evaporation, the process is continued. म्हणजे पहिला थोडा A वरती गेला, B वरती जाता परत रिटर्न आला, त्याच्यातला परत थोडासा कॉम्पोनेंट ऑफ A getting again moved in the vertically upward direction, again B comes back like that, and that is how the A moves higher, B returns back, means B is collected in the distillation flask, whereas A is collected via the condenser into the receiver. That's it. This is called fractional distillation, which is used to separate two liquids but slightly different boiling points, not higher. Simple distillation is not useful here. Fractional distillation is useful only because the liquids are having different boiling points but the difference is lesser. That's it. That is fractional distillation, students. झाला प्रकार complete. Okay. Next we'll take up some more things in the next class. Bye for today. Sure.